everyone. So today, as it says, is all about reading graphic texts. So what is a graphic text? A graphic text uses words and pictures. So think like a graph. A graph in math shows information through bars or a pie. It's a picture. So both the words and the pictures are giving information. So for example, one example of something that is not a graphic text is a picture that is next to a paragraph. It's not a graphic text, that's just a picture. So like your textbook is not a whole thing of a graphic text. It has pictures and it might have some graphic texts, but it's not itself a graphic text. So for example, we have the healing power of cat purrs here, and this is a graphic text. It has text, so it has text at the top, it has images, and they're both helping send the message. Okay, so both the words on the screen and the images are helping to give you information. So you got to look at both. So elements of a graphic text. These are things you might run into. So headings and subheadings. So your heading is your title. So for example here, 10 foods that are great for building muscle. So I know what this graphic text is going to be about. It's the main idea. Any of these are subheadings. So I can tell that this whole section is going to be about beef. This whole section is going to be about brown rice, eggs, chicken, and oats, and so on. So the subheadings give supporting details. Each of these sections will explain how that food helps to build muscle. Okay, and the pictures help to show us what it looks like. This is the one you're probably going to see the most, and that's images with captions. So an image, for example, we have here the baseball players. And below it, oftentimes you'll get a description of what's going on in the picture. That's the caption, okay? So image is the picture, caption is what is below it, and it tells us what's going on in the picture. Your graphic text might have that. Diagrams. So this is what you've probably seen in textbooks. Diagram is an image that shows the parts of something. So maybe like like a picture of a car that's been taken apart and it shows you where the carburetor is and the oil injection. And I'm just making up words because I have no idea about cars. But here's about a picture of brains. So it shows you where the cerebral cortex is and the thalamus is, or maybe it's the whole body and it's showing you where each bone is. Those are all diagrams. Graphs. Already talked about this. So it shows information that's based on numbers. It can show growth. It can show things going down. It can compare two things. It can show you how much of something is something. So different graphs tell a different story. Maps. Maps are another great graphic text. It will have pictures to show you where things are. It will show you what's where based on different symbols. So it shows the details. It will show some important points about an area. So you want to check the title to find out what the map's about. And then you also want to look at the captions. Okay? And another hint, all maps have these things called legends, and they tell you what each of these images mean. So if we were to see here, we would be able to find out that each blue dot that has a gift thing on it is a gift shop. So look at the legend if it has one. Tables. So a table is a graphic text. It shows information about two or more things. So oftentimes we compare things. So here we have study time versus grades. We're comparing two things. So Bob studied for 2 hours and got an 84. Carlos studied for 4 hours and got a 91. So we can see that study time equals higher grade. So that's what a table would help you with. Glossary. So a glossary is a list of important words. So especially in textbooks or information pages, they will oftentimes include a glossary so you know what some of these words mean, because it might be the first time you've seen them. So how do you read a graphic text? So here's my suggestion. Your process. Look at the title. Look at headings. Look at graphs. Look at labels. Look at tables. Hey, it rhymes. Second thing you want to do is ask. So what is the main idea? What is this graphic text about? 3, notice what elements seem important. So if something's super big, probably means it's important. If something's super small, might not be as important. If something is bolded in a text, it might mean it's important. Underlined might mean it's important. And 4, consider how everything is connected. So how does the image connect to what's talking about in the work? So maybe it's an example, or maybe it's just showing you what it is it's talking about. Okay, so consider how everything is connected. So look, ask, notice, consider. All right, so good luck today with graphic text. That was just a quick overview. So if you need to watch it, rewind. You can always watch it as many times as you need. All right, bye.